come here after I got information that police had come and invaded this residence again, and that they came in pretending that they had orders from the court to come and do a search, and they even arrested the security officers who were here. They also confiscated telephones of the staff who were in this residence. I'm told that they've confiscated a number of things in this residence. Of course, you remember we were here some times back, and then they said that they did not come. That was something that was a hoax, according to them at that time. And I'm being told that they have been in courts. At first they went to Kiambu, supposed to get an order, which they did not get. Then they came to the court here in Nairobi, and I'm told they did not get orders. The lawyer here, Danson Omari, was there in court, and I'm told the media was also present when they were denied an order, and the matter is supposed to be heard on the 7th of next month. But then here they're pretending to say that they have an order. We don't know where they got that other order, and why they hurry, why they should come in spite of the fact that they did not get an order from the courts. But most importantly is that these police are operating very much like in the Nyayo times. They say that the more the things change, the more they remain the same. We are seeing actually a reinvention of Nyayo era here. Police acting with impunity. And actually it's been supported by the Directorate of Public Prosecution. I think that the DPP should be waiting for the police to carry out investigations and then take evidence to the DPP, which then he should examine and see if this merits prosecution. That they want to undermine the opposition, kill the opposition, so that they create one monolith, Mama na Baba. This is basically where we are going to. And this country is in serious danger of starting back to a single-party dictatorship.